Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video because this video is not gonna be about how to improve your English language, but I'm gonna share about a very precious thing I can say, or which is very important if you are under 20 or if you are under 50, not 50 but 25, sorry. Huh? I want to share with all of you basically a lesson of my life which I recently learned in under 20s. But sorry, very sorry, huh? I'm not uploading videos nowadays. Uh, there are many reasons. It's not like only because it takes too much time, but it's also take really guys too much time to record and especially to edit. That's why I'm not uploading videos nowadays. I'm feeling that okay, if I upload one or two videos in a week, that is also enough because I have to study. Okay, I have to study a lot, and then I have to teach as well. Not I have to teach, but yeah, I want to teach because there I learn a lots of things really. So that's why I don't get enough time to record videos and to edit it, especially and then it upload. That's why I'm not regular. Very sorry, guys, but leave it. What I want to share, guys, that is if you are under 20 or more than it doesn't matter. Especially, I want to share if you are superior or if you are a teacher or especially superior to someone else. And if you realized something that yes, you have made a mistake and you don't want to commit to your junior that yes, I made a mistake, I should accept it. Like why? Because it takes a lot of courage to accept it. Recently I failed this kind of things. I never failed in my life. I feel that doesn't matter you are superior to someone else or whatever, but if you have made somewhere mistake, you should accept it, not anything else, but at least commit it that yes, I was wrong there. At least accept it. Or even if you can't do it, then if you don't know about anything or so much about that thing, or even if you don't know about that particular thing, accept it that I don't know. But don't say that it's not like that, I know but I forgot. Yeah, that can be also a reason that you knew about it but now you're not, you don't know about it. That can be a reason, but basically what I want to share, if you made somewhere mistake, accept it, guys, and it really takes a lot of courage, I can say himmat. But I think this is a very good habit. I'm not suggesting to follow everyone. I think if you are not genuine or genuine, I don't know how to pronounce this word because this is a very tricky word. But for a good human being or for a nice human being, at least real human being, I can say, we should build this habit in ourselves that if we have committed somewhere mistake, we should accept it. Okay, and I'm feeling very excited, feeling very happy because after a long time, I can say, I'm recording videos. Actually, I have already recorded more than 5 and 6 videos in long format and in short format as well, but I don't have time to edit it because it takes at least 2 hours to edit it. And I feel that if I can utilize my time 2 hours in something else, which is very important for me for now, at least. That's why I'm not doing it. Sorry, guys, but uh, I'll try to be regular. At least in a week, I want to upload 1 or 2 videos, at least 2 videos. I'm planning to do it, and I'm gonna change my niche. I'm not gonna upload related how to do, but something else, which I feel that nowadays I'm learning, which is very important for a student who wants to learn this language, I think. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you have learned something in this video, but I learned in my under 20s. That's why I wanted to share. If you have learned something in your 20s, do let me know in the comment section so that I can learn that thing as well. Okay? Thank you. Bye.